Good morning, girls. I'm Miss Jervis. I'm the head of the World Languages Department in the upper school, and I'm here to get you started on your foreign language placement exam. You will be taking either the Spanish placement or the French placement exam this morning. For the Spanish placement exam, there are 3 audio files that accompany the questions that begin the test. You'll listen to audio file A, answer those questions. And when you finish those, you'll go on to B and then C. For the French exam, there is a link to a video, and you'll click on that link, or you can also copy that and put it in another browser and watch that video. You'll watch that video twice and then answer the questions that are associated with the video. For both Spanish and French exams, there will be questions that you don't know the answer to, and that is fine. Please don't be nervous about that. We don't expect you to know everything, and how you answer these questions helps us to decide what class is the best one for you. Our goal in giving you this exam is for you to be in the most comfortable class where you're going to have chances for growth and develop your language skills. While you're completing the exam, we have intended for these exams to last about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So if you come to that point and you are not done, please stop. We will be able to assess what your level is from what you've completed up to that point. We wish you all the luck, and we look forward to seeing you this fall. Thank you.